everybody, it's Kat here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to become a dinosaur in Animal Jam. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is you need to have a dinosaur at hand. You see mine right here. I'll show you. And you can get dinosaurs from Appendale. Right over here. And you can go over here and click excavate, and you can get a stegosaurus egg or a prehistoric egg. And here is where you can hatch the egg. So after you've hatched it, you have to see your pet and you have to nurture it in a Pet Sitter Pro or a pet station. And helicopter! If whenever it gets to level 5, you can turn it into an animal. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you go to Serapia Forest. And you go up to here on this little blue platform. Hello, my hologram is at your service. So you can grow up your archosaur here. So thank you. Press choose pet and click on the dinosaur you want to turn into an avatar. Now watch. Okay, so it'll give you this little pop-up and it'll say, are you sure you want to turn your crunchy sprinkles into a full-grown animal? It won't ever be a pet again. You won't be able to change the colors, patterns, or eyes, which we'll be getting into, and you won't be able to trade or sell it in your My Shop. So I'm gonna click grow up. And let's see it. Wow, look at it. So this is how the Brachiosaurus looks. And there are a whole bunch of other dinosaurs that you can become. But this is my Brachiosaurus. Still here. So let's get into the colors. You cannot change the colors since you can't change the colors on a pet, but I really like the colors of this dinosaur. And you can give it lots of little items. And on the Brachiosaurus, whenever you put on a collar or a spiked collar, it makes them have 3. That's why I love this type of dinosaur. So you can make avatars with it. and you can run around with it. And now, since you're a dinosaur, you can go to Mesoterra. Well, if you are an original Animal Jam player like me, you know that you cannot go into Mesoterra. You could not go into Mesoterra if you didn't have a dinosaur. But this is the dinosaur land, Mesoterra. See, it has dinosaur footprints here. I don't think I've ever touched this fact. I kind of don't care. Well, I mean, I like the facts on Animal Jam. Oh, there's the fact I never touched. Cool. So, yeah. That is how you become a dinosaur in Animal Jam. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope this video helped you if you want to become a dinosaur. Thanks for watching, and see you later. Stay positive.